I believe the first thoughts we had around rebranding Harrah's New Orleans to Caesars was to provide a different product that they don't have down there.
We do have a big Asian community in New Orleans, and we thought of creating something special, like a sculpture, a dragon. We elevated a little bit more by making that dragon into a light fixture, wherein everyone can see it from different areas of the casino. So that's how it all started, and it morphed into this grand dragon that I think it's going to be unique in the space. The center bar chandelier is located in a space where it's big, it's grand. So we thought a grand space needs something grand, and I think that space will be the talk of the town once we open it. First time I've heard about Preciosa Lighting, I guess it's every time we talk about custom lighting fixture, something that's high-end, Preciosa's name always comes up. The way that Preciosa helped us really is understanding our vision. They were immediately aligned, they understood what we're trying to achieve, and they're on board. And they helped us every single step to make sure that we achieve that vision.